Transform your community with creative recycling and cleaning. Recycling is essential to protecting our planet, as it reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. By recycling, we conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Adopting recycling habits is a crucial step towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. Every year, millions of tons of waste are generated worldwide. This alarming number underlines the urgency of implementing effective recycling practices. Without significant change, waste will continue to accumulate, deteriorating our natural environment and affecting the quality of life of future generations. Correctly sorting waste is key to recycling. Plastics, glass, paper, and organic materials must be separated for proper treatment. By learning to distinguish between these materials, we facilitate the recycling process, ensuring that each type of waste receives the management it requires to be reused. Creative recycling offers opportunities to reuse materials in innovative ways. Glass bottles can be transformed into lamps, and cardboard boxes into organizers. These projects not only reduce waste, but also encourage creativity and personalization of the environment, while teaching the value of resources. Recycling efficiently helps conserve natural resources such as water, wood, and minerals. By reusing materials, we reduce the need to extract new resources, which reduces the environmental impact of their extraction. This cycle of conscious use contributes to maintaining ecological balance and preserving the planet. Recycling has a significant impact on local communities, improving quality of life by reducing pollution and encouraging sustainable habits. Recycling reduces the amount of waste in landfills, helping to keep the environment clean and healthy, promoting a safer and more pleasant environment for everyone. Cities have begun installing recycling bins in public areas such as parks and beaches, making recycling accessible to everyone. These bins allow citizens to actively participate, helping to keep public spaces free of waste and fostering a sense of community responsibility. Using recycling bins correctly is easy. Simply separate waste into categories such as plastic, paper, and glass, and place it in the appropriate bin. This ensures that materials can be processed efficiently and reused, thereby reducing environmental impact. Organizing community cleanup events is a great way to mobilize citizens to take care of their environment. These events focus on cleaning beaches, parks, and other public areas, offering the opportunity to work together towards a common goal and raising awareness about the importance of keeping spaces clean. Inviting the community to participate in cleanup and recycling events not only promotes collective action, but also strengthens a sense of belonging. By joining these activities, residents learn about sustainable practices and inspire each other to continue taking care of their environment, ensuring a cleaner future. Community cleanup and recycling events foster unity by bringing people together with a common goal, strengthening bonds, and promoting cooperation. These activities not only improve the environment, but also create a sense of belonging and pride in those who participate, creating a positive and lasting impact. The testimonies of participants in these events reflect enriching experiences. Many highlight the satisfaction of contributing to collective well-being and the surprise of discovering the amount of waste that can be recycled. These experiences inspire others to join and be part of the change towards a cleaner environment. Recycling faces challenges in the community, such as a lack of knowledge about waste sorting and a shortage of suitable containers. In addition, a lack of motivation and ignorance about the benefits of recycling can discourage people from actively participating in these essential practices. Overcoming these obstacles requires practical solutions. Educating the community through workshops and information campaigns is crucial. It is also important to facilitate access to recycling containers and create incentives that motivate citizens to recycle, making the process more accessible and attractive for everyone. Continuing education about recycling is essential to maintain interest and active participation. Organizing talks, workshops, and school events helps to spread knowledge and raise awareness among new generations. Consistent education ensures that recycling becomes a daily and sustainable habit in the community. Promoting recycling among young people is crucial, and schools can play a key role. Implementing educational programs that include workshops and practical activities on recycling can instill sustainable habits from an early age, creating a more environmentally conscious and responsible generation. Technology is a powerful ally in recycling. Apps and digital tools can facilitate waste sorting and optimize recycling logistics. Technological innovations allow for more efficient tracking of materials, thus improving the effectiveness and impact of community recycling efforts. Mobile apps dedicated to recycling help users sort waste correctly and easily locate nearby collection points. These platforms not only simplify the process, but also educate users about sustainable practices, encouraging active participation in waste reduction. Minimizing waste at home is a fundamental step towards sustainability. Simple practices can be adopted, such as buying products in bulk, reusing packaging, and composting organic waste. These actions not only reduce waste production, but also promote a more conscious lifestyle. Opting for sustainable products is an excellent alternative to disposable ones. Items such as cloth bags, reusable bottles, and bamboo utensils offer eco-friendly options that reduce dependence on plastics and non-biodegradable materials, thus contributing to reducing environmental impact and promoting responsible consumption habits. The circular economy is an approach that seeks to keep resources in use for as long as possible. Unlike the linear use and throw model, the circular economy promotes recycling and reuse, generating less waste and reducing pressure on the planet's natural resources. There are communities that have managed to implement successful recycling programs, inspiring others to follow their example. These stories show that, with commitment and collaboration, it is possible to significantly reduce waste, improve quality of life, and foster a culture of respect for the environment.